Blind girl, love story.
There was a girl who hated herself just because she was blind. She used to hate everyone around her except her boyfriend. He was always there for her even after the accident in which she got blind and her behavior changed towards life. She always used to say that if she could see the world, she would marry her boyfriend. One day, someone donated a pair of eyes to her. She had an operation and now she could see everything, everyone including her boyfriend, and was very happy. Seeing her happy, boyfriend was happy too and asked her, "Now that you can see the world, will you marry me?" But the girl was shocked to see that her boyfriend was blind too. So, she refused to marry him. This left her boyfriend heartbroken and he walked away with tears in his eyes and left a note to her saying, "Just take care of my eyes, dear."